Don't miss this. One of the powerful AI model, Claude Opus 4.7, is now available for free on Zillow for a limited time. Zillow posted on X.com recently that they are giving free API for Claude Opus 4.7 for a limited time. So don't miss this opportunity. So let's get started to get the API key from Zillow.io website and get the Claude Opus 4.7 for free. So let's open their website Zillow.io. After opening their website, I will show you Zillow.io. This is their official website. Open this website. Every frontier model, one key. As you can see, just come here down to the models. You can see this Zillow Claude Opus 4.7 is for free. So let's click this. So it is input 1 million context free, and the context is 1 million anthropic. So to use it, we will just get their API key. Let's click on the right side, get API key. Click this button and we will continue with Google or continue with GitHub. I will continue with Google to create my account with Zillow. Let's press our Google account. And here it required the PUN number, so I will confirm it. So I have confirmed my PUN number. So let's get our free API key. Simply press on this API keys. After pressing this, now we will create our API key. Let's press this create key. And here it says name your API key like free Claude. Let's create it. So we have created our API key. Simply revoke this. I will create a new one. Create it and we will copy this. Okay, let's copy this and I will store it somewhere. Let's close it now. I will store my API key. So after getting the API key, now let's use it. So let's open the official website back. We will move to the home page and there we will get simple. Just come here, and to use it, we need to have the base URL and API key. So this is the base URL. Let's copy this base URL. We will use an agent like OpenCode, KiloCode, or any other agent. So for that, let's open OpenCode application. You can use the CLI tool or desktop application. If you didn't install this, you can simply move to the OpenCode official website, opencode.ai, and press this download. Here are the listed methods, like you can use the terminal using these command, the desktop application, the OpenCode extension in IDs, and integration. So it is all about the download and how to use it. So come here back to the application. First of all, we will try here an OpenCode application. Let's remove and delete this session. And here we have opened this folder. If you want to open a new folder, just simply press this plus button. You can open a project. So press this setting icon on the end. After pressing that, we will come here to the providers. We're coming to the providers. Here are the popular providers, but we will use a custom provider. So let's press this custom provider, or we can search for Zillow if Zillow was available. Now the Zillow is not listed there, so we will use custom one. Select this custom. So the provider ID. So that is like Zillow, and the display name is Zillow, and the base URL. So I have copied the base URL. Let's paste that. And I will paste the API key also. So I will paste that, and down the model name. So for the model name, let's copy the name of the model. So for that, simply just come here back to the website, and for model, we will use Claude Opus 4.7. Let's copy the name. Simply just come here. Like this, open it, and we will copy this name. Copy this model name. Yes, model is Claude Opus 4.7. After copying that, come here to the OpenCode box, paste the model name here. I think that is Zillow. Yes, that is Zillow. And here we will just write C Claude 4.7. Claude Opus 4.7. Submit it and we will try it now. So Zillow connected. So let's now come here to the model. Here we have two mode, agent mode and plan mode. So we will press plan mode. We will go with plan mode, and here we can select our model. So let's select this and we will move to the Claude Opus 4.7 as you can see from Zillow. Let's press this and try it. Like simply our first chat will be hello, and let's check the response of Claude Opus 4.7. Hello, I am in plan mode and ready to help. What would you like to work on? Which model is this? Press enter so it will answer to our query. As you can see, this is powered by the model Zillow Claude Opus 4.7 and this is the ID. So let's, for example, we would like to just generate a landing page using this Claude Opus 4.7 to see the capabilities of this free model from Zillow. So I will paste my prompt here. My prompt is like create a production ready AI SaaS landing page using React, Wet, Tailwind CSS, and TypeScript. Requirements are modern hero section with headline, subtitle, and CTA, call to action, sticky navbar, feature section, company logo section, pricing section, testimonials, pack, frequently asked questions, contact forum, footer with social links, fully responsive dark mode, smooth scrolling, and these are the requirements that I explained. Now we will press enter. So we are in plan mode. So let's change this to build mode so it will directly implement our requirements to build our project. Press enter so it will continue its task to build our projects just in a few minutes. Yeah, it is just designing the structure of our project. As you can see, React, these are the components, hooks, context, all the things. 15 to-dos to complete. Okay, first of all, wet React TypeScript project to create, then Tailwind CSS, then it will create all the sections one by one. So let's wait until it complete all these 15 to-do list. It will complete one by one and go one by one. We will wait until it complete. So you can see this file has been created. So it will now create our project also. It will complete first of all our project, then it will configure Tailwind CSS. So it has completed its tasks. You can see the structure of our project and all to-dos has been completed. All files has been created. So let's check now. It says run npm div. Okay, so to see the live preview of our project. So let's run these commands and we will see the live preview of this project. So I will open that folder AI test, this folder inside VS Code editor. Okay, so that was AI test, this folder. So after opening that, now let's run it. You can run it here inside OpenCode also. Just write npm run div. The AI will do its task, but I will run it here. Simply in terminal, I will write npm run div. Press enter. So it will run. Let's move now to this. Press this, and this is the live preview, but we will copy this URL and open it inside a browser. Paste it here. As you can see, the live preview of our landing page, build production AI in days and months. As you can see, the chart, and these are the trusted by engineers teams, everything you need, the cards, and here the pricing section, here testimonials, and the feature frequently asked questions, and the contact forum. And this was all about the footer. As you can see, that's dark and light theme. We can see the dark and light theme also. And let's check the responsiveness and just come here per mobile. So per mobile it will looks like this. Okay, this is the navbar, close it back, just come here. So it will looks like this. So it was all about the result that we just got from Claude Opus 4.7. So this was just an opportunity for all developers, students who would like to use the free AI models, and this was something big because the model like Claude Opus 4.7, which is very expensive, that no one can pay for that. But today it was just a free opportunity for all of us to use it inside any agent you want from Zillow AI. Thanks from Zillow AI. This is not a sponsored video, but just I saw their post on Twitter and I wanted to share it with my audience on YouTube. So it was all about this. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment. It will help me to make more videos like this for free AI models. And thanks for watching.